hello queens. Today we are doing a seafood boil mukbang, alright? So for today's mukbang, I'm going to be using shrimp and scallops, and for my sides I have potato and corn, and y'all, I'm about to make this cheese sauce. And if you know me, you know I love cheese and I'm obsessed with cheese. So obviously I gotta make a cheese sauce to go with it, and then obviously the regular Cajun sauce, or it's the Cajun butter sauce to go with it. So yeah, let me just take you on the journey on how I do this. And oh, this is hot Cheetos edition. Let's get into this. I'm gonna go ahead and just get started with the cooking. So yeah.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine, no. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though.
So shrimps and scallops are done. Now what I have to do is get the eggs and get the hot Cheetos, mush them bad boys together, put them in, and then yeah.
A few moments later.
I'm excited, you guys, because I did it, okay? I did it. I really did this myself. Me. Okay. So let me tell y'all what we got on the table. So right now I made Bloves Cajun sauce, and y'all, I think I actually did a really good job making this butter sauce. And I also made some cheese sauce. Let's just get into this, okay? Let me just tell y'all how this went. Yeah, I'm actually really excited for this cheese sauce. So I think I kind of want to try scallops and cheese sauce first and see how this goes. This shit is hot. Yeah, see that steaming? Hot. But here it goes. I don't know how I feel. I'm gonna do this one instead. And we'll see how this one goes. Alright, this one was definitely way better with the scallops. Now we gotta try the shrimp. Shrimp. It wasn't too bad, but not a big fan of it, to be honest with you. But we'll see how this one goes. Need to get out the little thingies on here from the bottom. Okay, Bloves sauce looks like it's winning so far. So hot Cheetos. That was not good. Not on scallops, no. No, not with scallops. Yeah. I don't even like it with the cheese. Okay, let me try the shrimp. It's actually really good with the shrimp. Alright. That's actually really good with the shrimp. Alright. Well then. To be honest with you guys, I personally would rather go to freaking Shake and Crab and get it done there than me doing it myself. I really don't like the scallops. I think grabbing scallops was a really bad option. Yeah, I don't like the scallops at all. But corn, see how this goes. The corn's really good. Yeah. It's really good. Okay, so far. I only really like the corn and the shrimp. I like both shrimps. I've seen the cheese sauce everywhere. Now that I'm trying it, I really don't like it. I really don't. It just doesn't taste as good to me as it does. As I thought it would be, honestly. So that's kind of disappointing. But let me just try it with something else just to confirm. Ah! Okay, let's try it. That was actually really good with the potato. Okay. It's actually really good. What if I tried some sour cream? Yeah, I think that's a lot of sour cream. I don't even think it's enough, but let's try it anyways. Sour cream with chive cheese. This is bound to smack. Whoa. I like that. I like it a lot. This was good. It's like eating loaded potatoes. That's what it is. That's why it tastes so good. It tastes like eating loaded potatoes. Yeah, I'm kind of full, honestly. I don't even think I would eat the rest of this, but all these scallops is nasty. I'm really starting to think I don't like scallops anymore too, to be honest with you. I think they taste kind of funny. But when I went to Stop and Shop, yo, they legit had nothing, okay? No type of seafood, only shrimp, scallops, and fish. But like, I eat fish all the time, so I didn't want to get fish, and I barely eat scallops. So I thought, you know, maybe because I barely don't eat it, let me just try it, right? That was a bad idea. I regret that. Anyways, I'm doing the same thing that I did on the other potato with this one. And we'll see. Yeah, I think I like the potato better with the cheese. So this about wraps it up. Cooking this was pretty easy. My phone died, unfortunately, when I was trying to make the cheese sauce, but it's okay because y'all see the outcome of the cheese sauce anyways. What's it called? Overall, taste-wise, yeah, I officially declare my hate for scallops. I do not like scallops. I don't like them with any of this. It does not taste good by itself. Without the sauce, with sauce, I don't think anything could freaking make scallops taste any better. Shrimp, on the other hand, shrimp was popping. all the way around. Doesn't matter which sauce I put it in and if it had the Cheetos or not. That was good. The potatoes with cheese sauce and sour cream tastes like loaded potatoes, so I love that. The corn, bomb diggity, but I didn't even bother to try it with the cheese sauce because I just didn't think it was gonna taste good. But yeah, that's it, you guys. That's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. Bye.